FXTRADING.com gave us one of the most extreme pricing splits we have ever seen. On some markets, spreads were among the best we have recorded. Others were among the worst. So stick around to see if this broker is a great fit for your style or one to avoid. Hey, I'm Andy Roberts from FXEmpire.com. After more than 15 years of reviewing brokers, our team knows how to cut through the marketing and focus on what really matters: hidden costs, platform quality, and how a broker holds up once you start trading. In this review, we'll keep it practical. We'll check how safe FXTrading.com really is. We will compare their pricing to industry leaders and walk through the platform so that you can see what you're actually getting. Let's get into it. Let's start with the most important question. Can you actually trust FXTrading.com with your money? The broker was founded in 2014 and is based in Sydney, Australia. They operate through two entities. The Australian one is regulated by ASIC, which is one of the strongest regulators in the industry. The international entity is based in Vanuatu and is regulated by a lower tier authority, VFSC. So what does that mean for you as a trader? Well, mainly, the entity you sign up with matters. Under the Australian license, you're with a top-tier regulated broker. Under the Vanuatu entity, you get higher leverage, up to 1 to 2,000, but less regulatory protection. That said, some of the core basics are still there on both sides. Client funds are kept in segregated accounts. Negative balance protection is clearly confirmed under the Australian entity, but we couldn't verify the same protection under the Vanuatu one. On the other hand, this entity does have insurance coverage of up to 200,000 Australian dollars, which adds some extra protection if the broker runs into serious financial trouble. More broadly, FXTrading.com has been around for more than 10 years, and they have around 90 people working there, which is a solid size for a broker like this. One thing that stood out to us though, they don't publish the percentage of retail traders who lose money there. That's a common risk disclosure in the industry, so it's a bit unusual not to see it clearly stated, especially for an ASIC regulated broker. But overall, FXTrading.com looks fairly solid on trust, especially under the Australian entity. Just keep in mind protections aren't identical across both entities. We gave them 3.9 out of 5 for trust. Now let's get to what most traders really want to know. How much does it actually cost to trade with FXTrading.com? They have 5 account types. At the entry level, you've got spread-based standard account starting from $50. Then there's the raw spread account, which adds a commission per trade, and the zero account, which starts at $3,000. But there is no Islamic account options if that's something you need. To get the full picture, we tested spreads on both the standard and raw accounts during the London and New York market openings. On the standard account, we saw the best results on commodities, indices, and crypto. Crude oil was the real standout. Spreads actually came in below the benchmark, and that was during the US-Iran supply crunch when most other brokers' energy prices were rising. Forex and stocks were a different story. Currency spreads were only a bit above average, but stock spreads were much higher, around 2 to 3 times the benchmark. On the raw account, spreads did tighten up, but once you factor in the commission, the all-in Forex cost still came in above average. Apple and Tesla were even more expensive here, which is not what you want to see on a raw account. In fact, the $2.02 Tesla spread was the highest we have ever recorded for that asset, which really rules this broker out for stock CFD trading. The same pattern showed up in commissions. Crude oil stood out again, coming in around 4 times lower than what most brokers charge. But Forex and gold commissions were above average. The stock commissions were much higher than the benchmark. Overnight fees were more mixed. Energy and gold swaps came in below average, and Dow Jones swaps was nearly 10 times cheaper than the industry benchmark. So when you combine that with the low spreads, this is a really strong setup for index trading. Forex swaps, though, were above average. On the non-trading side, it is clean. There is no inactivity fee and no deposit or withdrawal charges. So overall, a lot depends on what you trade. FXTrading.com looks strong on commodities, especially energy, plus indices and crypto. But if stock trading is a big part of your strategy, this is not the best place for it. We gave them 3.9 out of 5 for fees. Okay, so platform time. Is the setup here actually any good? FXTrading.com offers 3 options: their flagship FXT platform, plus the classics MT4 and MT5. Starting with FXT, it's really user-friendly. It runs on TradingView, so charting feels smooth right away. And one thing we liked is that Trading Central signals are built in so that you can see trade ideas without bouncing between tabs. We will show you that with a quick walkthrough in a second though. Now, there are some gaps. FXT does not have price alerts, there's no depth of market, and you can't run Expert Advisor on it. So if you need any of that, you're basically going to be on MetaTrader. Execution speed is another thing worth mentioning. In our testing, we saw order fill times between 144 and 227 milliseconds, and the industry average is closer to 60 milliseconds. The good news is they do offer VPS hosting, and it is free if you trade at least 10 standard lots a month. Alright, now let's jump into the FXT WebTrader and the mobile app so that you can see how it looks in real use. First, let's check the FXT web platform. On the left, you've got Market List, and it's neatly grouped into categories like majors, minors, metals, energies, and indices. If you click on a market, let's use Euro US dollar, the chart opens on the right. And you also get the trade ticket right next to it. The charts are powered by TradingView, so you get a lot to work with. You can switch between different time frames, change the chart type, and add a wide range of indicators in just a couple of clicks. You've also got plenty of drawing tools like trend lines, horizontal levels, and a good selection of Fibonacci tools as well. But what really stands out here is the built-in research and trading tools. Up top, you've got the financial calendar, so you can quickly see what news events are coming up. There's also a news and analysis section. And my favorite feature here is the market sentiment tab. This shows you how many traders are currently long or short on the market. Now that can be useful for spotting strong trends, trend continuation, and also situations when a market starts looking overbought or oversold, which can sometimes hint at a pullback or a reversal. What's especially nice is that it doesn't just give you a single sentiment number, it also shows a chart of how that sentiment has changed over time. Most platforms stop at the basic reading, so being able to see the trend in sentiment is a really helpful extra. When you're ready to trade, everything is right here on the ticket. You can use one-click trading or set pending orders, and you can add your stop loss and take profit as well. There's also a built-in pip value calculator, which is great for risk management because you can quickly see what each pip is worth before you place the trade. So if I click buy, the trade opens instantly and you see it show up at the bottom. From there, you can manage it. Adjust your stop loss and take profit, or close the trade with a click. Overall, it is a feature-packed web platform. It's very intuitive and it includes some really useful tools, especially if you trade around news, prefer short-term setups, or you just want extra guidance while you're learning. Now, let's jump onto the FXT Mobile App. Starting on the quote screen, you can browse a wide range of markets. You've got FX majors and minors, metals, energies, indices, and more. If I tap on something like XAU USD, so gold, it opens the chart and pulls up a bunch of tools around it. Up top, next to the chart, you've got a built-in analysis for instruments that you're looking at. You've also got a financial calendar and news updates. And the news analysis section is actually pretty useful. It pulls in headlines related to that market, shows how often it's being mentioned, and gives you related articles too. Down at the bottom, there's also a market sentiment indicator. This shows how traders are positioned, and it can be helpful for spotting when a market is getting overly bullish or overly bearish. Charting is another strong point here. If you switch to full screen mode, you get TradingView charts. So you've got plenty of indicators, tools, and settings to work with. When you're ready to trade, it's quick. Just tap buy or sell. You can place an instant market order or set pending order and add your stop loss and take profit. Once the trade is open, you'll see the key details at the bottom, and from there you can manage it, do a partial close or close it fully. You can also keep track of everything in the accounts section at the bottom. One more feature worth showing is under Profile in Analytics. This is where you get built-in research from Trading Central. You find technical analysis views on different markets and a very detailed economic calendar. There's also Market Buzz, which highlights the most talked about instruments and featured trading ideas. Overall, this app packs a lot more than you usually get on mobile. It's still easy to use, but it gives you plenty of built-in tools for trading and analysis on the go. Overall, the platform lineup is solid. Most traders will find something that works for their style. FXTrading.com scored 4.6 out of 5 for platforms and tools. Finally, does the broker actually give you enough markets to trade? In total, they offer 187 instruments. That includes Forex pairs, commodities, stocks, indices, and crypto. Forex is one of the stronger parts of the lineup. The other asset classes are more limited, but they still cover the main markets that most traders focus on. We also noticed a less common selection of Chinese stocks, which you don't see at most brokers. That said, 187 instruments is below the industry average, which is closer to 350. So it covers the essentials, but market range isn't really this broker's biggest strength. We gave them 3.1 out of 5 for tradable instruments. Before we get to the final verdict, a quick question. When it comes to choosing a broker, what matters most to you? Trading costs, platform quality, or the range of markets available? Drop your answers in the comments down below, because I would love to know. So, is FXTrading.com the right broker for you? Let's run through the key pros and cons. On the plus side, the standout here is energy pricing. Crude oil costs were genuinely some of the lowest we have recorded, even during a period when most other brokers were seeing energy costs rise. Metal and indices also came in on the low cost side. You also get the FXT WebTrader with TradingView charts and Trading Central AI signals built in at no extra cost. If you run automated strategies, MT4 and MT5 are both supported, and there's a free VPS available if you meet the volume requirements. Customer support is available 24/7, and the live agents that we spoke with were fast and genuinely helpful, which isn't always a given. And on top of that, payments are cost-free on the broker's side. On the downside, stock CFD spreads are the big issue. They came in several times over the industry average on both the standard and raw accounts. There are no Islamic accounts available, and education is very limited. No courses, no webinars. So if you're still in the learning stage, you'll need to get those resources elsewhere. So with all of that in mind, who is FXTrading.com best suited for? If you're into copy or social trading, this broker is set up for it. The client area makes it easy to follow strategies or share your own. Plus, we also noticed they offer zero latency social trading. In simple terms, this means followers can copy the master account's trades almost instantly at the same prices. That is a big plus for scalpers and high-frequency traders when even small delays can matter. Automated traders are covered too, with MetaTrader EAs and VPS hosting available. Day traders, swing traders, and scalpers can benefit from the intuitive FXT platform and the built-in research tools. Just keep an eye on swap fees, since they can be a bit mixed, and be especially careful with those high stock spreads. For news traders, the Trading Central signals are a great feature, and you also get the Market Buzz sentiment gauge. That said, there isn't much in the way of in-house research. For casual traders, it can work as well. The platform is user-friendly and the entry barrier is low, but the lack of structured education is a real gap. That's also why we wouldn't recommend it for beginners. There's very little educational content, and the high leverage on the international entity can be risky if you're just starting out. All in all, we gave FXTrading.com 4.1 out of 5. It is a strong fit for active day traders, especially if you trade energy, because the commodity pricing and platform setup are real strengths. If you want to try them out, just use the link in the description or in the top right corner. It will take you to the best offer available in your region. And if this review helped, hit the like button and subscribe. We post more in-depth broker breakdowns like this all the time. Also, if you're still comparing brokers, the video on screen is a good next step.